बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए ऐसे लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है ऐसे का माय स्कूल। 20 लाइन्स पर ये मैंने ऐसे लिखा है, बहुत ही आसान लाइन्स लिखी है, बहुत ही आसान वर्डिंग यूज़ की है, तो आप जल्दी इसको याद कर लें। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1 लाइन, The name of my school is Dare Arkam. Number 2, it is one of the best school in my city. Number 3, my school is a wonderful place where I learn new things every day. Number 4, there are 30 teachers and 40 classrooms. Number 5, my school has 800 students. Number 6, the teachers of my school are well educated and talented. Number 7, our teachers always motivates us to take part in sports activity, quiz competition and group discussion in the school. Number 8, my school has a big library. There are many storybooks, magazines and class books in it. Number 9, the canteen services are very tasty that I eat with my classmates. Number 10, I learn many subjects in my school like science, arts, maths and English, etc. Number 11, I enjoying spending time in the computer lab learning how to use programs. Number 12, the classrooms of my school are bright and full of charts. Number 13, it has a big playground where we play different games. Number 14, the atmosphere of my school is very suitable for studies. Number 15, our principal are also very kind and cooperative. Number 16, my school celebrates all the important days of the year such as Children's Day, Independence Day, Republic Day and Teachers Day, etc. Number 17, the annual prize day ceremony is the best of all. Number 18, the result of my school is very good. Number 19, the educational authorities are highly satisfied with our school. Number 20, I love my school very much. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरे नए आने वाले वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरे अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।